Hey guys! So, I know it's been a while since my last unboxing video, but update, I guess, I collect Victon now. What I said absolutely destroyed me, so the only albums I have so far, though, are Voice of Futures Now and Mayday. So I'm sort of working backwards, and this is actually my first time opening new Victon albums, so I'm really excited. I will tell you already, just from buying used albums, I already have a Sumu and Byung-chan Curse, but since Sumu wasn't here for nostalgia, I have every version of each one, by the way. This is gonna all be Byung-chan, and this is all gonna be Sumu. So, since I'm going backwards, I guess we'll do continuous first. And I already have one, I collect Hansei, and I have one Hansei photocard already, and it's for the light version. And I can't really tell what I'm looking at. I guess this is the light version. Oh my god. I haven't even opened them yet, and it's like already dinged a little bit. That's so sad. Okay, anyway. So, I don't have a problem buying used albums, obviously, especially if I'm starting from nothing with a group that already has like 100 things out. But nostalgia, like every album that I've found has been damaged really badly. Not really badly, but you know, it's not great. So I wanted to get new ones for that. And then, I don't know, continuous was just laziness, honestly, because I have nothing to trade for Hansei anything. So, oh my god, I'm sorry. Okay. I feel like I'm like far away, but I can't get my tripod to go down. I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah, I think this is the light version. So, I don't know. Yeah, it is. Okay. I wasn't sure how I felt at first about this, like the CD being like exposed, like on the outside, but considering how they package the CD sometimes, like I'm honestly not mad about this. Like at least it's not just in an envelope or something. So, I don't know. It's been so long since I did an unboxing video. I'm sorry. This is like garbage. Ooh. Okay, let's do... Oh, wait. These are... Okay. These are member specific, so I got this one. Oh, it's so pretty. Are these... I don't know if these are different for, like, if there's a light version and blue and dark for the lyric books. Okay. Alright. I don't remember if I did that upside down or not. Okay, let's just... I'm sorry. I forgot how to function. This is a thick photo book, wow. His hair looks so good. Aesthetically, I do love this comeback so much. I know Howling is like everyone's favorite Victon song, but I like it. It's just not like one of my favorites, I guess. I don't know. I don't feel like it's like, wow, his hair looks really good too. I just don't feel like it's like one of their strong songs, I guess. Oh, they do look so good. Soma's green shirt is so good. Okay, I'm getting to a photo card. I'm gonna hide it. Give me 1 second. I didn't see it. Okay. As far as the album goes, though, this is one of my favorites. All I Know is one of my favorite Victon songs. I'm not really like a slow jam person either. Like I don't know, I like more like high energy, like hype songs, but Victon's slow songs are so good. White Night is amazing. Oh, I love this. Oh. God. This is gonna be such a long video. I'm sorry. Yes. Prince Chan. Okay. All right. So, these photo cards. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yes, I see you, Victon. And I actually got Subin, and this is like my second Subin thing ever. I have seen this card like 800 times. I don't know, like I feel like half the albums came with this card. But okay, anyway. All right, let's do I guess the blue version. I smoothed it down a little bit, but it's still, yeah, okay. I guess I'll be quiet for this one so I can speed it up a little more. Oh. Okay, and for this one I got Chan and Sejun. I can't tell. I think, yeah, it looks the same. Blue Sejun is a gift. Okay. Making a mess. All right. Ooh. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm sorry. Oh wait, oh no. Hold on. The cards are falling out already. I don't see them, I'm not looking. Is there one? Where's the other one? Okay. I don't know where the other one is. Oh. Okay. Not looking. Alright. Wow. Even Chan's hair looks blue in this one. Like, Sungshik's hair really looks blue too, but... Wait, these pictures look the same. Are these the same pictures? I thought it was a different photo book. Wait a second. This is the same photo book. Okay, I guess I won't go through it again. I don't think I watched an unboxing of these. So I don't know. Okay, let me clean up my mess really quick. Okay, so for photo cards, I got Chan and Steven. same photo book though. I don't know. Makes the video shorter. I hope at least I get the other lyric book though. Okay. Oh, this is sexy. Okay. Okay, fine. I got this one again. And this Sejun and Chan lyric book. Okay. Ooh. So this is the front of this one. Is it the same? Yes. Ooh, okay. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Okay. That's unfortunate. Okay, so yeah. Yep. Chan and Simu. All right. So I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter because I'm just gonna trade for Hanse anyway, but all right. Let me get out nostalgia really quick. Alright, I don't know which one to do first. This one. Okay. Oh, it's already open a little bit. Please, please, just one Hanse. Ooh. Okay. Oh. Uh-huh. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Good. I was gonna hold the stuff till last, but everything's just kind of already there. So finally, a Hanse. And I guess, oh, yay. Okay, hold on. Chan is the one who loves me today. I guess it's different every day, but anyway, is that, make a new pile for things. Hold on. And this, getting random member posters stresses me out so much because I hate trading them. So I don't have to deal with it. Yay. So there's this. It's bigger than I thought. Okay. Anyway, yeah, all right. Okay, I don't know if there's like a secondary photo card, like a voice card or whatever for this one. I don't think so. No, there's not. Yes. I love these, like the round framing for some of these pictures. Wow. Oh, I thought he wasn't wearing shoes. Oh no. Okay. Nostalgic Night is one of my favorite Victon songs too. Actually, so is Here I Am. Here I Am makes me emotional. Oh, wow, okay. I love these black and white pictures though. Oh, okay. I don't know what, he reminds me of something in this. I don't, like with that like fringy jacket. Very anime boy. Why are they like always, they always look like they're like in an abandoned subway. Continuous looks like this too. Okay. All right. Let me put this stuff away really quick. buying like the worst nail polish in the world, so I'm kind of afraid to touch this. It might as well be like Sharpie. Okay. Okay, let's do just wait. I don't know if I can. Hold on. I'm not gonna look at the photo cards. Okay. Okay, it's a mystery. I don't know who this is. It's not Hansei. Okay. That is so pretty. I love that. Okay. Yeah. I love these sweaters. Oh. What is he wearing? Oh, it's like a dangly earring. Yes. I love how his earring like catches the light. The moon is so pretty in here. Oh, he's got one too. He's got a dangly earring too. Oh, okay. Pictures from the other one. Are these the same pictures? I don't remember. Yeah. Why did they put the same pictures in here? Oh, wait. Hold on. No, I don't know what I'm talking about. Vic's made me paranoid with those, like, the photo books. I think it was chained up where, like, the last 20 pages or something was just, like, a unit thing. So now I'm like, if I see a bunch of Sejun, are we doing something here or no? Okay, so, all right, things. Yay! Okay, cool. Good. and Steuben, and yay! I actually don't have any Sungshik anything, so I'm not upset about this at all. Yes. Now I feel like I have to like buy the other one though. Like I feel weird just having like 2 out of 3, you know? But okay. Alright, anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll probably do another Victon unboxing next time. So, thank you.